Who did that? Understeer. It's not super comfortable to drive with a helmet on. These seats are meant to be the good seats for wearing a helmet, but
yeah, there's certainly the headrest is forward.
yeah. Now it's that tricky sort of half wet, half dry sort of situation.
I was looking before, it's just got that like you can just hear it when like the tyres wheel sometimes.
Yeah. So it's conditions like if you're racing, then you end up pushing.
Yeah.
You got enough grip to push, but then you go, oh crap.
Yeah, it's
Hit the-
where there's not just enough.
Look out, duckies. She dries pretty quick.
Once it gets to this, it's pretty. It's not even much wind. I think it must be just the camber of the.
Yeah.
spots. Pretty flat torque delivery once it gets to its.
Yeah.
peak.
Didn't quite nail it.
Does it have any background like assist that you feel when it really like?
No, it doesn't. It might have a full emergency mode, like if you really get on the brakes, it might come in, but you can spin it around in circles if you want,
Yeah.
without it coming on, or even like the transitions. It's just got quite a lot of push in this sort of damp conditions, so you really got to slow it
A few
down.
times where you've just like had to take a reset.
Yeah, like that. Front gives up.
It's like it's just not enough, like a front corner bite where you want it to.
Yeah.
You're asking it to transition away quite fast, and it's.
Yeah, you sort of flick it. It's almost got like it's got more rear grip than front, so it kind of just.
It's got like I imagine it's got adaptive dampers and stuff. Like
Yeah, it does. Yeah.
This whereabouts in the settings range is that at the moment?
It's actually everything's in full. So this is in full stiff.
Yep.
If we're going to set up, and then M2. So. Yeah, chassis in Sport Plus, engine in Sport Plus,
Yep.
and so, yeah.
It might just be, I guess, the product of a less, not a lot of available grip, and
Yeah.
quite a heavy car with a lot of low-speed damping just doesn't want to quickly load that tyre.
That's right. Yeah.